This is KRIS 6 News at 5.
Okay, question. So what's behind a growing number of shark encounters in our Gulf waters?
Well, scientists at the Hart Research Institute spend days on dive trips looking for answers. KRIS 6 News reporter Emily Hamilton joins us now in the studio with more on what scientists are saying. And Emily, you're told that there could be multiple environmental reasons for the increase in shark sightings in the Gulf.
Paulo, it's very difficult to determine if there have been more shark sightings because of climate or if more people are just fishing off our Gulf waters. But research students are using some pretty cutting-edge technology to get to the bottom of it. Days on end of intense work fishing and tracking sharks off the Gulf of Mexico. That's how some students at the Hart Research Institute spend their time. Recently, questions have been raised about an apparent increase in shark sightings in our deep waters.
We do have more reports of encounters, so the argument is yes, there are more sharks out there, but at the same time we have more people fishing and more tourists coming down, so it just may be an encounter thing rather than just a number of increased sharks. But data does show that we are starting to see more sharks.
Students at Texas A&M Corpus Christi designed special cameras that attach to a shark's dorsal fin, allowing researchers to track their migration patterns. Kesley Gibson notices an interesting difference in the behavior of male and female sharks.
We are seeing two kind of separate migration patterns. We have adult males that are around 7.5 to 8 feet long that have both left the Gulf of Mexico. And we also have some females that are around 10 to 12 feet that do stay in the Gulf of Mexico, and it's likely they are staying here because it's a mating ground and or a pupping ground. So they may be, having their babies here, and the males just come in to mate and then leave.
As an expert, Gibson says there's a misconception about the entire species and the likelihood of being attacked by a shark while in the water.
We're not on their dinner menu. It's an accident if you encounter one.
Gibson and her team are still constantly researching whether or not these migration patterns have anything to do with water temperature, food supply, or ocean currents. Paulo?
All right, Emily. Now, the offshore shark tagging trips can take days. Research students just returned from a 56-hour trip today.